Good morning students. Welcome back to the maths class. I hope you all are fine. So in last class we have completed exercise 2C. Today we are going to start exercise 2D. Now listen question number 1. Fill in the missing digits. Question number 1 is fill in the missing digits. Here we have to fill in the missing digits. We have given this addition and we have to find out the missing digits in the numbers. How we will find out the missing digits? So what we have to do is we have to keep 2 points in your mind. Okay. Firstly, you know that these numbers are called addends. Okay, and this is called sum. You already know that. Okay, so you have to keep 2 points in your mind to find the sum. To find the sum, we add the addends. First point. Second point, student, to find the addend. To find the addend, we subtract the given addend from the sum. Okay, if you know these 2 points, you can do this question very easily. So let's start question number 1. You can see here. Here we have to find out the sum. Because addends are given, here we have to find the sum. To finding the sum, we will only add these addends. I already told you. Okay. 6 plus 9. Yes, student. 6 plus 9 equal to 15. 15. So we will write here 5 and 1 carry over here. Okay. Now here we have to find out the addend. Now here we have to find out the addend and sum is given. So here we will subtract this addend from the sum. Okay. So firstly we will add these two addends. You know 8 plus 1. Yes. 9. So sum is 0. So we can't subtract 9 from 0. So we will take one borrow from the 100 place. So this you can see here is also 0. So we can't take borrow from this 0. So we will move to the next place. So we will take borrow from this 1000 place. If we are taking one borrow from this 8, this 0 becomes 10 and this 8 become 7 because we have already taken one borrow from it. Now this 0 will take one borrow from this 10. So this 0 becomes 10 and this 10 becomes 9 because we have already taken one borrow from this 10. Okay. Now here we have to find the addend and sum is given. So we have to find out the addend and sum is given. We will subtract these addends from the sum. Okay. 8 plus 1, 9. Okay. 10 minus 9, 1. So we will write here 1. Understood? Now again here we have to find addend. Okay. So we will subtract this addend from the sum. So 9 minus 5. Yes. 9 minus 5. 4. Okay. Now again here we have to find addend. When we find the addend, we will subtract this addend from the sum. So 7 minus 2. Yes. 5. So here we will write 5. Okay, student. Now you can check also. Yes, 6 plus 9, 15. 5 here, 1 carry over here. Yes, 8 plus 1, 9. 9 plus 1, 10. Here comes 0, 1 is carry. Okay. Then 5 plus 1, 6. And 6 plus 4, 10. 0 here, 1 carry over here. Now 5 plus 2, 7. 7 plus 1, 8. Means our answer is correct. Now see question number 2. Here we have to find the missing digits. Now 1 and 4. These numbers are addends. And here we have to find the sum. So when we find the sum, we will add the addends. Okay. 4 plus 1. Yes. 5. So write here 5. Now here we have to find the addend. So here we will subtract the given addend from the sum. Okay, 5 minus 2. Yes, 5 minus 2, 3. So right here 3. Okay. Now here we have to find the sum. So we will add these two addends. 0 plus 7, 7. So right here 7. Okay. Now here we have to find the addend. So we will subtract 2 from 3. 3 minus 2, 1. Okay. Now you can check also. 1 plus 4, 5. 2 plus 3, 5. 0 plus 7, 7. 1 plus 2, 3. In this way we can find the missing digits. Now see 4 part. Yes, here we have to find sum. So we will add these addends. 5 plus 3, yes student. 5 plus 3, 8. So right here 8. Now here we have to find the addend. So we will subtract this 7 from 8. So 8 minus 7, 1. Okay, here we have to find, yes, sum. So we will add these addends. 3 plus 4, 7. So right here 7. Now here we have to find addends. So we will subtract this 5 from 6. So 6 minus 5, 1. So right here 1. Now you can check also. 5 plus 3, 8. 7 plus 1, 8. 3 plus 4, 7. 1 plus 5, 6. Now see fifth part. Yes, here we have to find sum. So we will add these addends. 3 plus 5, yes. 3 plus 5, 8. So right here 8. Okay. Now here we have to find addend. So we will subtract this 6 from 1. But it is not possible. We can't subtract 6 from 1. So we will take 1 borrow from this 2. Okay. When we are taking borrow, this 1 becomes 11 and this 2 becomes 1. Because we have already taken 1 borrow from this 2. Okay. You can see 11 minus 6. Yes student, 11 minus 6, 5. So right here 5. Again here we have to find, yes, addend. So we will subtract this 8 from 1. Again here is 1. That is not possible. So this 1 becomes 11. Means we are taking 1 borrow. Okay. So 11 minus 8. Yes student, 11 minus 8, 3. So here we have to find sum. So this one will be, so this one we will put 1 carry over here. This one will remove here and we will put 1 carry over here. This one you have to keep in your mind. Okay. Now 4 plus 4, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. Now you can check the answer also. 3 plus 5, yes, 8. 6 plus 5, 11. 1 is here. We will put 1 carry. Okay. Now see 8 plus 3, 11. 11 plus 1, 12. So 2 is here and 1 carry. Okay. 4 plus 4, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. It means our answer is correct. In this way, we will find the missing digits. So I am repeating 2 steps again. Students, when we find the sum, we add the addends. Okay. When we find the addend, okay, so we subtract the given addend from the sum. I hope exercise 2D is clear to everyone. So student, you can do exercise 2D on book. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.